3, 2,
Okay, now we're gonna install the odometer trim that goes up on the dash and the starter button. So we have cleaned it off with alcohol. Get the dust and debris. Now it's just run-of-the-mill rubbing alcohol. And then you want to prime the surface with adhesion promoter. Get it nice and tacky. And these pieces, you do want to just be careful when you're installing them because they do have a certain shape to them. You can see that the inside piece is wider than the trim on the outside, so you want to make sure that you match it up correctly before you apply it. We have peeled the double-sided tape cover off the back. And then you just want to give it some good pressure. All right, so after you have both of the exterior circles, we're gonna apply the little trim piece, and it does have a particular way that it applies with the narrow part up, and it goes right in between. So we've prepped that area the same as before. Peel the tape off the back, and then you're gonna just put it in position and press. And then the last piece that goes with the odometer is the light switch trim. So that goes on the same way. You're gonna prep it with alcohol, put some adhesion promoter, and then apply your piece. So what you might notice on some of these pieces, the tape can tend to get dried out through the painting process. We usually try to add extra, so we're gonna go ahead and put some extra tape all around this edge just so that that will sit on there more securely. All right, and then once you have your double-sided tape covers removed, you're gonna put it in place and press. You might need more tape.